In my last video, we went deep into the world of Office agents and ChatGPT agents. We watched them analyze massive issue logs and spin up entire presentations in around 20 minutes. It was impressive, but let's be honest. Some of you reached out and said, "I don't like the black box." You don't want to just hand your data to a robot and hope for the best. You know exactly what you want to create. You just want the AI to be your high-speed assistant, not the pilot. So today, we're going back to basics, but with a power boost. No agents doing the thinking for us. Instead, I'm going to show you a simple, transparent workflow using Copilot in Excel and Word. We're going to take a messy system log, pull out the trends ourselves, and format a professional, frequently asked questions document all while keeping our hands firmly on the wheel. And stay tuned, because I'm even going to show you where Copilot failed on the first try, and how one simple prompt correction saved the entire project. Let's dive in. Once you've exported your issue log from the ticketing system, go ahead and open that CSV or XLSX file directly in Microsoft Excel. From here, we aren't going to spend an hour filtering rows. We're going straight to the top right corner and launching Copilot to take over the heavy lifting. Now, I didn't just ask for charts. I gave Copilot a specific blueprint. I typed in a prompt defining exactly which columns to count and the formulas to use, then hit enter. You can see Copilot starting to think it's mapping out my instructions to build a brand new tab from scratch. Or at least, that was the plan. In less than a minute, Copilot delivered. A brand new tab with a clean table and supporting charts. At first glance, it's exactly what I asked for, simple and clear. But as a project manager, my first instinct is to verify the data. I can't present this without a logic check. So, let's look closer. Wait. Table 1 and 2 are spot on. But Table 3? The figures are completely wrong. Honestly, with such a clear definition, I didn't expect this logic error from Excel Copilot. No big deal, though we're just going to give it a nudge and ask for a correction. And just like that, less than a minute later, the second version pops up. A quick logic check confirms the error is fixed. What I really appreciate is that Copilot actually explained why it tripped up and how it adjusted the calculation. That's the transparency I need. Now that our dashboard is accurate and looking sharp, let's move to the next phase. Transforming this raw log into a professional, frequently asked questions document. Let's go. Now for task number 2, generating the frequently asked questions content. I'm asking Copilot to create a new tab called Q&A and analyze 2 specific columns, issue description for the questions and resolution for the answers. Here's the key. I'm telling it to only pull entries where the category is user question. Now, a quick reality check: if your log isn't as clean as mine, you'll need to do some data cleansing first. AI is powerful, but it relies on your ticketing system having clear categories. If you don't have that, take a moment to tag your data before you run this step. In less than a minute, the first draft is ready. I'm excited to see the result, but when I open it, I'll be honest, I'm a little disappointed. I was expecting a precise, summarized, frequently asked questions, but instead, I got a massive, long list. But wait, check out the Copilot pane on the right. In the chat window, it actually did summarize it perfectly. It's like the AI knew what I wanted but didn't put it on the page yet. Then I saw a suggested button. Yes, please generate a clean, frequently asked questions. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Let's click that and see if version 2 hits the mark. And just like that, less than 60 seconds later, the clean, frequently asked questions is ready. Copilot generated a fresh workbook for me to download. So let's see the results. Now, this is what I'm talking about. It's concise, it's accurate, and it's formatted exactly how I imagined. No more digging through rows of data. Now for the final touch. We're going to take this polished table, head over to Microsoft Word, and turn it into an official document. Now, I've pasted our frequently asked questions table into Word, and let's be honest, it looks pretty rough. It's just raw data on a page, and it's definitely not client-ready. It's time to bring in Copilot one last time to act as our document designer. I'm giving it a simple prompt. Structure these information in a frequently asked questions format. Let's see how it transforms this mess into a masterpiece. And there it is, in less than a minute. That clunky, rough table has been transformed into a perfectly structured, Professional, frequently asked questions document. This is exactly what I'd feel confident sending to a client or a stakeholder. From a messy system log to a polished Word doc in just a few prompts. Excellent. And there you have it. We went from a massive, messy system log to an accurate dashboard and a professional, frequently asked questions document all in under 10 minutes. This is the power of using Copilot as your personal assistant rather than just a black box automation. In my last video, we saw how Office agents and ChatGPT agents can handle this entire process on autopilot. But today, we saw the Copilot approach. More control, more transparency, and the ability to catch those little data errors before they become big problems. But now I want to hear from you. Which workflow fits your style? Do you prefer the hands-off magic of the AI agents? Or do you like the hands-on control of the Excel to Word pipeline we built today? Drop a comment below and let me know why. If you found this workflow helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world AI strategies for project managers. I'll see you in the next one.